Hey everyone, my name is Shariu and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make this magic wrap skirt. Now there are actually n numbers of ways to style it, which you can find it on YouTube. But I'm going to show you a few ways to style it at the end of the video. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. To make the pattern, first fold your paper in half, then mark your waist radius from the corner of the paper. From the waist radius, mark your length of the bottom layer of the skirt. When you open this pattern, you will end up with a semicircle. This is the pattern for your bottom layer of skirt. To make the pattern for your upper layer of the skirt, you have to repeat the same steps on another piece of paper. This is the bottom layer of my skirt. As you can see, it is a semicircle. Now place your upper layer of the skirt on the bottom layer and pin the waist and stitch it. You also have to hem the sides and bottom separately. To hem the skirt, I am using a rolled hem foot, also known as a picot foot. Now take both the pieces and fold them 1/4 inch from one side and give it an edge stitch. You have to do this for the entire waistband. Now fold your skirt in half and mark the center point. Fold your waistband in half and mark the center point. Now match up the center points and place the waistband on the skirt facing right side each other. Pin the waistband on the skirt and give it a stitch in 1/2 inch. After stitching the waistband to the skirt, flip the waistband over and give it a top stitch. Then fold the waistband in half and give it an edge stitch. To finish the edge of the waistband, fold it half and then iron it. After that, fold it half an inch on the other side of the waistband as I am doing here, and fold it in half and give it an edge stitch. You have to do this for the entire waistband, and that's all. So this is how you style this wrap skirt. The first look is very simple. It is a midi skirt with a ruffled bottom. For the second look, I am placing it a bit higher to create a dress look. You can also use the bottom layer as your outer layer to hide that short layer of the skirt. You can wear a t-shirt to complete the look. You can wear it as a halter dress. You can also wear it as a one shoulder dress. And last but not the least, you can wear it as a strapless dress. This is by far my favorite look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.